Now I'm going to start class 9th NCERT science. Okay, so let's get started. Some measurable quantities and their units. Quantity temperature, then unit is Kelvin and symbol is K. Then length meter M. Mass unit is kg or symbol is Ka. Weight is the quantity, unit is Newton and symbol is N. Then we talk about volume. Its unit is cubic meter and symbol is M3. Then M cube you can say. Then quantity is density. Then its unit is kilogram per meter cube and its symbol is kilogram per meter. Then pressure unit is Pascal and its symbol is Pa. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Convert following in the Celsius scale. So 300 Kelvin is equal to 300 minus 273 is equal to 27 degrees centigrade. So whenever we want to change any Kelvin to centigrade, so we should minus 273. Okay, 1 Kelvin is equal to 273. So it might be 573 if you want to change this in centigrade. So after in 573 you should minus 273 and then is equal to 300 centigrades. Okay, in the same way if you want to change Kelvin then you can plus this, yani ki 373 degree centigrade. If you want to change it in Kelvin then you should plus 273 and then it will become 646 Kelvin. Evaporation of a liquid occurs and at temperature lower than boiling point. Then liquefaction, it becomes liquid when liquefaction or melting or fusion is done, then it becomes liquid. And then after liquid, when it non-pasteurization or evaporation done, then it becomes gas. Then gas, if condensation done, then it becomes liquid. And if in liquid, if solidification done, then it becomes solid. If we direct solid become a gas, then it is sublimation. Ice floats in water because its density is less than water. The density of water maximum at 400 centigrade. The density of water maximum at 4 degree centigrade. It's not 400 centigrade, it's 4 degree centigrade. Cooking of rice at high latitude is difficult because water boils at less than 100. Okay, then 100 degree centigrade you can say. Sublimation yani substance are camphor, ammonium chloride or naphthalene balls. The rate of evaporation depends on these factors: surface area, temperature, humidity, wind speed. Water coolers are not effective in coastal areas due to high humidity. Solid carbon dioxide obtained by cooling and applying pressure on carbon dioxide gas. It does not melt, so it is called dry ice. So solid carbon dioxide by cooling and applying pressure on it can change in dry ice, that it does not melt. Okay, then what are the elements? Elements are metals, metalloids and non-metals. So here I'm going to explain what are elements. Metals are malleable, ductile, good conductor of heat. Example, copper, gold and iron. Okay, then metalloids are shows some properties of metal and some properties of non-metal. Example, silicon, boron, arsenic. And then we talk about non-metals. Non-metals are non-ductile, they are malleable and then bad conductor of heat like sulfur and oxygen. Compounds having fixed composition can be broken down into elements by chemical and electrochemical reaction. Example, water, sugar and salt. Name the technique of to separate. Okay, so when butter from curd, that technique is called as centrifugation and used in blood and urine test. On washing machine also it used the centrifugation. Then salt from seawater, it is evaporation. Camphor from salt ammonium chloride from a mixture of containing sodium chloride and ammonium chloride that will be separated with the help of sublimation. Wheat grain from husk winnowing, different pigments from an extract of flower petals, that is chromatography. Okay, then separate colors in a dye to separate drugs from blood. So that is also used as a chromatography. Pure substance, collide and suspension. Pure substance are gold, silver, mercury, ice and iron. Collides are ink and blood, and suspensions are chalk, water and paint. Then fog and clouds are example of aerosol. Fog and clouds are example of aerosol. Then tincture of iodine, it means a solution of iodine in alcohol. Then Tyndall effect. What is Tyndall effect? The scattering of light by colloidal particles and is known as Tyndall effect. So Tyndall of effect is the scattering of light. Emulsion is when both the dispersed phase and dispersing medium is liquid, it is called emulsion, like milk and face cream. Then mixture and compound. Mixture is impure, combine in any ratio, retain then properties and can be separated by physical process. When we talk about compound is pure matter, combine in fixed ratio, then not retain properties, and new substances formed. Physical process we cannot change with the change is its form in earlier form, without any physical process or any pressure. In water, the ratio of mass of hydrogen to the mass of oxygen is always 1.8, 1:8 respectively. So one part of hydrogen and 8 part of oxygen. The number of atoms constituting a molecule is known as atomicity. So helium He, neon Ne, that are monoatomic. Then hydrogen and oxygen, these are diatomic. Then phosphorus and polyatomic, phosphorus which is P4, polyatomic. And then sulfur S8, it is also polyatomic, that is tetra. Phosphorus is tetra and sulfur S8 is polyatomic, it is octa. Negative charge in iron is called anion. Okay, anion. Negative charge ion is called anion, that is chlorine. Chlorine के ऊपर minus charge होता है ना, that's why. Positively charged ion is called cation, that is sodium Na plus. Atomic mass unit. One atomic mass unit is equal to exactly 1/12 of the mass of atom of carbon 12. The relative atomic masses of all elements have been found with respect to an atom of carbon 12. Quicklime CaO, cadmium Cd, nitric acid HNO3 and ethene C2H2, nitric acid HNO3, ethane is C2H2. All noble gases molecules are monoatomic. Atomic numbers is equal to a number of proton, and mass number is equal to proton plus neutron. So when if it is written C, up part it is written 12 and lower part it is 6, then 6 is atomic number and 12 is mass number. 6 is atomic number and 12 is, which is up one, that is mass number. Isotopes are same atomic number and different masses number, like C12 and 6 and C14 and 6. So C614, it means the lower part of number is C6, it is atomic number is the same. When atomic number is not same, it is different atomic number but having the same mass number, it means the upper one the same one, that is called isobars. That is calcium 40, calcium 20. So calcium up down 40 and then 20, and then another atom is there Another compound is there, that is argon. 18 is downside and 40 is upside. The electron have a negative charge, proton have a positive charge, and a neutron have no charge. Okay, then mass in electron, mass is negligible, and then in proton mass is 1.1 amu, and in neutron mass is 1 amu. Then 1 upon 1800 times of proton. Electron is 1 upon 1800 type of proton, attracted towards attracted towards a positive charge present outside of the nucleus. So electron is present outside of the nucleus. Then we talk about proton. Proton is attracted towards negative charge. Proton is attracted towards negative charge present in nucleus. Then neutron is do not attracted, as they are neutral and present in nucleus. So all these are present in nucleus. Then the isotope deuterium of hydrogen has one portion of one portion and one neutron. Sorry, one portion, one proton and one neutron. Isotope deuterium of hydrogen. The electron present in the outermost shell of called Valenic shell. Volcanic, not Valence, Valence, electron. In alpha particle contains 2 positive charge and 4 mass unit. When gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen more across the cell membrane, this process is called diffusion. When gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen are more across the cell membrane, that is called diffusion. So here model of atom is there. Thomson presents one big circle and a small circle with the positive sphere. Then one big circle and a small circle inside it, and it has negatively charged. So negatively charged small circles are called as electron, and the big circle in which it is there, that is positive sphere. This model was given by Thomson. When we talk about Rutherford given one big circle is there and one small circle is there, which is positively charged, which is called as nucleus. And he just throw alpha particle there, and that was done in the lab. And then Bohr model is very authentic, and it is really acceptable. That is many of circles are there, and inside the circle it is nucleus, that is plus charge, and the outer circle is the other name of the circle is NMLK, K shell, L shell, M shell, and N shell. Okay, then if we talk about now, it's going on bio. So I'll next part I'm giving you idea about the remaining part of 10th science. Okay, so till then, bye bye. Continuation with the 9th NCERT, I'm going to start with the B part, bio. Okay, so biology facts I'm going to tell. Cell is discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. Lysosome, you can say suicidal bags. Cleanliness of cell, because of cleanliness of cell these are there. Vacuoles means this storage capacity is there. The ribosomes are the sites of protein manufacturers. Then carbon dioxide moves in cell by diffusion, and hydrogen gel, or you can say H2O, move by osmosis through cell membrane. The root hair absorbs water by the process called osmosis. Red blood cell does not possess nucleus. Okay, then the nucleus of cell was discovered by Robert Brown. The opening and closing of stomata is due to osmosis. Plasticysts and organelles found only in plants. They are chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. So chloroplasts are containing chlorophylls. Chromoplasts are maintaining carotenoids and xenophil, or you can say colored plastids. Okay, so because of chromoplast, colored are there in the plants, and leucoplasts are white or colorless plastids. Okay, then plasma membrane is made up of protein and lipids. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Okay, then helps in packaging, helps in formation of lysosome. Golgi apparatus. So, what is the task of Golgi apparatus? Golgi apparatus helps in packaging or helps in formation of lysosome. What is the task of endoplasmic reticulum? It is for transportation of material. And what is the task of chromoplast? Color of leaves, fruits, and flowers due to this chromoplast. Genes is a segment of DNA. Chromatin. Chromatin, it is a fine new network of thread like a structure made up of DNA or RNA. It gets condensed to form chromosomes. So plant tissues are there. Group of cells, plant tissues. What are plant tissues? The group of cells that are similar in structure and perform same function is called tissue. So similar in structure and are also done the perform the same function, that are called as tissue. Two types of tissue are there: meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. So meristematic tissues are apical meristem, interclosory meristem, and then lateral meristem. So meristematic, then apical meristem to increase the length of stems and root, and intercalary meristem longitudinal growth, because of for longitudinal growth. Intercalary meristem, okay, because of this longitudinal growth is occur in plants. Then lateral meristem is for the thickness of that plant, okay, for the thickness of that tissue. Then permanent tissues are there, simple and complex. In permanent, you are having parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma, collenchyma, and parenchyma. And complex are xylem and phloem. So xylem and phloem are complex tissues. Xylem conducts water and mineral from the roots to the different parts of the plant, and phloem conducts food material from leaves to different part of the body of the plant. Its sieve tube and companion cells are present in phloem. Then animal tissue we are talking about. Then epithelial, connective tissues are there, muscular tissues are there, and nervous tissues are there. So what is epithelial? It is formed the covering of external surface. So external surface is covered by epithelial tissues. Then connective tissues are there. These are areolar tissues, adipose tissues, dense regular tissues, then skeletal tissues, and fluid tissues. So one by one I'm going to give the example. Areolar tissues are between skin and muscles, okay, like in bone marrow. So in skin and muscles, these are areolar tissues. When we are talking about adipose tissues, these are below the skin. Okay, these are below the skin and status fat in body. So because of this, fat is there in the body. Dense regular tissues are there, connective tissues are there. So these are tendons and ligaments. So dense regular tissues are there, which are tendons and ligaments, and tendons are a connection, muscle to bones. So tendons tissues are there which connects to muscle and bone, and ligaments tissues are there which connects two bones together. So because of ligament tissues, two bones together connected. Then skeletal tissues are there, cartilage and bone. Fluid tissues are there which are in blood and lymphs. Then muscular tissues are there. Okay, so third type of muscular tissues. So these all are connective tissues. Now muscular tissues are there, provide movement to body. These are striated tissues, smooth tissues, and cardiac muscles. And then nervous tissues are there which present in brain, spinal cord, and nervous. The husk of coconut is made of scalary sclerochromatous tissues. Okay, an individual nerve cell is called neuron. It may be up to a meter or long, the outermost layer of cell is called epidermis and is very porous. These pores are called stomata. These stomata help in transpiration and exchange of gases. The flexibility in plants is due to tissues like called collenchyma. Flexibility because of collenchyma White blood cells, it has monocytes, basophils, escophils, and neutrophils. Then prokaryotic and eukaryotic. So prokaryotic, those organisms which have cells without well defined nucleus are prokaryotic, and eukaryotic are there, it has cells with a well defined nucleus. So in eukaryotic, well defined nucleus is there. Classification of kingdom: plant, Thallophyta and algae, aquatic, and six are there: Spirogyra, Eulanthox, Caledoflora, and Clara. Then Bryophyta is amphibians of the plant kingdom. Example: moss. And then thallophytes and bryophytes and petriophytes are cryptogame, or those with hidden reproductive organs. Hidden reproductive organs are there in cryptogame, which are thallophytes, bryophytes, and petriophytes. Then gymnosperms are there, bear naked seeds. Example: pyres and deodar. Pines and deodar. Pines and deodar have a gymnosperm. Then angiosperm is our bear seeds in fruits. So angiosperms are bear seeds in fruits, like dicote in pea and monocote in maize. Then scientific names of peacock: Parocristus, honeybee Apis cerana, Apis indica. Then touch me not, Mimosa pudica, mimosa. Touch me not means wo chui mui wala, and neem is Azandroica indica. Azandroida indica. Sarpagandha used to treat blood pressure. So Sarpagandha is a plant, or you can say tree, which is used for blood pressure, to treatment of blood pressure. Powell of seeds, पाउडर ऑफ सीड ऑफ जामुन, जामुन की जो सीड्स होती है यूज्ड फॉर ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ डायबिटीज. देन कचनार प्लांट इज यूज्ड टू treat asthma and ulcers. Its bud and roots are good for the digestive problems. Okay, then babool's leaves are used to cure the eye sores. Then classification of kingdom Animalia. So here animal kingdom classification is there, where in vertebrates and vertebrates many of type of classification are there. So porifera, holes and pores are there over the body like a sponge. Then coleoptera is aquatic animals, has cavity in the body like a hydra and jellyfish. Then the third one is Platyhelminthes. These are has three layers of cells. They are either free living or parasite. Example: Planera and liver fluke. Then Nematode body is cylindrical, false body cavity like a scary and Vaucheria. Then Annelida is true body cavity, divided into many ring segments like earthworms and leech. Then Arthropoda, largest group of animals, have joint legs like ants, cockroaches, grasshopper, and scorpion. Then mollusca are soft body covered with hard shell, made of calcium carbonate, like snails, mice, muscles, and octopus. And Echidormata and Procordata. Okay, then vertebrates. Vertebrates are internal skeleton is there, muscle attachment is there, then complex differentiation of body tissues, organs. So so it is there. These are maximum of earlier. These are invertebrates. Now it is vertebrates because it has skeleton in there. Then in vertebrates we have some classification like Pisces, then amphibia, reptiles, aves, and mammalia. Then Pisces means cold-blooded animals, two-chamber heart present like fish and rohu and shark. Then amphibia, land and water, three-chamber heart present like example frogs and toads, and which has soft skin also. Reptilia, crawling animals, cold-blooded animals like lizard, turtle, snakes, crocodiles, four-chamber heart is there. Then aves, feather, feather, and water in blooded animals, warm-blooded animals. Aves are warm-blooded animals. These are having feathers. Four chamber heart is there. Sparrow, eagle, cow, crow, parrot, and teeth absent. So, okay, so these are their teeth are absent. Then mammalia produce milk. Hair and sweat is there. Glands are there. Four chamber heart are there. Warm-blooded, and man, horse, kangaroo, lion, these are warm-blooded mammals. Then simplest organism is thallophyta or algae. Simplest organism is thallophyta. Thallophyta means algae. The product of mass and velocity gives a physical quantity momentum. Fielder giving a swing while catching a ball is an example of Newton's second law of motion. Pressure is equal to thrust upon area. SI unit is Pascal. So pressure SI unit is Pascal. Mass SI unit of kg. Okay, then weight SI unit is Newton. The value of G decreases as we go to the center of the earth. A ball, so it is really very important. The value of G means you can say gravitation, decreases as we go to the center of earth. A ball is thrown up, the value of G, small g, will be negative. The earth attracts the moon with the gravitational force of 10 ki power 20 north. The moon attracts the earth with a gravitational force of 10 ki power 20 north. So both are I think same. The cork floats while male silk sinks in the water. This is due to the density of cork is less than the density of water. The upward force exerted by any liquid or gas on an object is known as upthrust or buoyancy. Swimming exerts by an upward force by water. Swimming exerts by an upward force by water. Archimedes principle. What is Archimedes principle? When a body is immersed fully or partially in a fluid. So what is Archimedes principle? When a body is immersed fully or partially in a fluid, it experiences an upward force that is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it. It is used in designing of ships and submarines. Hydrometer is used to find density of liquid. The purity of gold can be obtained by knowing the density of gold. Unit of work is joule and unit of power is equal to watt. When a rubber band is stretched, then its stored potential energy possessed by body due to its heights. Presence of medium or air is necessary for propagation of sound waves. So India's age composition comprises adult 58.7%, aged 6.9%, and then children with 34.4%. So these are the wavelength. Wavelength is equal to it is what wavelength, the difference between the two consecutive peaks, crest, and those throws. So crest and throws, you know that up one and down one. The up one called crest and down one called throw. So is called wavelength. Sign is lambda. SI unit is meter. So wavelength SI unit is meter. Range of heating in humans. Range of hearing in humans. 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Unit of frequency. Okay, hertz is unit of frequency. Below 20,000 called infrasonic and above 20,000 hertz called ultrasonic. Sound is a form of energy. Bats emits ultrasonic waves. Ultrasonic waves means what? It emits above 20 okay, just clarify it is if it is above if it is below 20 hertz called infrasonic and above 20 hertz called ultrasonic. So ultrasonic is done by bats. So we can distinguish between sound having same pitches and loudness. This characteristics of sound is timbre. Okay, then speed of sound depends upon temperature of medium. To hear and distracted echo, the time interval between the original sound and the reflected sound must be 0.1 second. Then reverberation of sound is used to stethoscope, megaphone, then trumpets, and then curved down of concert hall. Okay, then children under the age of 5 can hear up to 25k hertz. So 25,000k hertz children can hear. The part of human ear that converts sound vibration into electrical signals are cochlear. Spelling is COCHLEA. Sound travels fastest in steel. So steel is the medium where sound travel very fastest. Sonar, SONAR, sound navigation and ranging device, uses ultrasonic waves to measure the distance and direction and speed of underwater objects by getting reflection of sound. Causes of infections and disease. Bacteria caused disease are TB, tetanus, typhoid. Typhoid is what? Typhoid infects blood. Okay, then cholera and diarrhea. So cholera, diarrhea, TB, typhoid, and tetanus. These are because of bacteria. What are the diseases caused by virus? So virus caused diseases are AIDS, polio, chickenpox, rabies, and measles. So measles, rabies, chickenpox, polio, and AIDS. AIDS, polio, chickenpox, rabies, and measles. These are caused by virus. Now come on the fungi. Because of fungi, diseases are there. Skin diseases. Okay, any type of skin diseases, food poisoning, and scabies. And then protozoans, because of protozoans the diseases are caused like malaria, ambiosis, then cholera, and then sleeping sickness called done by protozoan. And then worm, because of worm infections, filariasis there. Okay, which is malaria is infect liver and RBCs. Then antibiotics are the chemicals or medicine or drugs that block biochemical pathways important for bacteria. They are used for diseases caused by the bacteria. So if bacterial diseases are there, then antibiotics are used. Then TB affects our lung. The BCG vaccine is given for the immunity against TB. HIV virus attack a white blood cell of our body. So where HIV virus it attacks on the white blood cells of the body. Penicillin, an antibiotic that can kill bacteria. Then sleeping sickness due to protozoa trichopanosoma. Then two biological important compounds that contain both oxygen and nitrogen are DNA, protein, and carbohydrates. Then the microorganism which helps in formation of soil is lichen. Then molecules of protein contains carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen. So protein contains carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen. Then depletion of oxygen mole in the stratosphere is due to hydrogen compound SO2 and NO2 nitric acid. NO2 means nitric acid caused acid rains. Nitrification, conversion of free nitrogen present in atmospheric into compound of nitrogen, nitrate, and then nitrate to nitrates, called nitrification. Rhizobium bacteria industries lightning may be done nitrogen fixation. Then biological compounds are urea, DNA, RNA, and proteins. Okay, so nitrogenation. Then conversion of nitrates into free nitrogen called denitrification. Okay, conversion of nitrates to free nitrogen, denitrification. Kharif crops June to October, rainy season, paddy, soybean, maize, cotton, green gram, black gram, and pigeon pea. Then rabi crops are there, which are wheat, gram, peas, linseeds, and mustard. Then Apis carona indica. Apis carona indica is commercially commonly known as Indian bee. Apis corona indica is Indian bee. Example of weeds are xanthium. Xanthium is gocaro, xanthium. Then parthium, which is gazra घास गाजर घास. Then motha is Cyprus rotundum. Then rotenum. Then popular marine fishes varieties pomfret, mackerel, tuna, then Bombay duck. Then other marine fishes are there: mullets, bhetki, pearl spots, prawn, mussels and oysters. Then nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium are example of macronutrients. Then lagoon and acyl are related to poultry. Okay, then bass indices, cows, bos, bulbous, buffaloes, and then Tasturage is related to apiculture or keeping bee. Then the level of vitamins A and K is kept high in poultry feeds. Okay, so poultry needs जो होते हैं तो it is कहते हैं vitamin A and vitamin K.